Okay, so we're asked to simplify a trigonometric expression by rewriting it using, and we're going to do it using sine and cosine. So we're given cosecant theta, secant theta, and minus cotangent theta. So we need to think about all the identities that we know. So cosecant theta, this is a reciprocal of sine. Secant theta, this is the reciprocal of cosine. And cotangent theta is the reciprocal of tan, and it is also equal to cosine of theta divided by sine theta. So we're going to just rewrite. So cosecant is 1 over sine theta multiplied by 1 over cosine theta. And then we're going to minus, and we're going to write cotangent as cosine theta over sine theta. So if I multiply these together, I'll have 1 over sine theta cosine theta, and this is minus cosine over sine. Now we need to put these said over the same denominator. So to do that, I can multiply by cosine theta over cosine theta. So if I multiply, we will have 1 over sine theta cosine theta, and then the second fraction will be cosine squared theta over sine theta cosine theta. So now our denominators are the same. I can rewrite over 1, so we'll have 1 minus cosine squared theta over sine theta cosine theta. Now 1 minus cosine, so we know from our trig identities, from the Pythagorean identities, that sine squared theta is equal to 1 minus cosine squared. So this will be sine squared theta divided by sine theta over cosine theta. So we can simplify one of the signs, and then we're left with sine theta over cosine theta, and this can be rewritten as tan theta. So this is our final answer. Okay, so simplify secant x minus 10x multiplied by sine of x. So we need to think about what we actually know. So secant of x, so this is the reciprocal of cosine. And then we have tan of x. So tan of x, we can rewrite this as sine of x over cosine of x. And sine of x is just sine of x. So let's just rewrite this. So we've got 1 over cosine of x minus sine of x over cosine of x, and this is multiplied by sine of x. So I have to think about what we can do with this. So if we multiply, so 1 over cosine x, and then we've got sine squared x over cosine of x. Now they're both over the same denominator, so I can combine them. So they're both over cosine of x, and from my Pythag identity, we know that sine of x squared plus cosine of x squared is equal to 1. So 1 minus sine is equal to cosine squared of x. So I can rewrite this as cosine squared x over cosine of x. And then one of the cosines will simplify, leaving me with cosine of x, and that's the final answer.